don't want peace. I want problems always.
Ask everybody here. They can tell you. It's my laughing. It's natural. God, it's gifted of God. Yeah.
You call this laughing what? What is the name?
It's money laughing, but I don't have money. But
Kabamu, I'm not gonna TV ka soko driver ka pera kaba chama amaziga ge. Kabamu, togwa wansi, togwa kaba wa gurungo imiride. Tadika kaba mu ruzungu. Kaba mu ruzungu. Webye bya ruzungu.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Madembe.
I found
Let's watch this. This was from God.
Is it what?
That's just from God.
Who is this man?
no, what is out?
Why didn't you arrest this man? What did he do here?
Before we were counting, they disconnected all the power. You were there. Why are you asking me this quick, simple question?
Thank you.
Go and ask your grandfather.
5 days a day supply road. I know go back, I know go front. I know Giri make you go back. I know Giri make you come. The road you don't support. The people ask I know Giri make you open the road. While I do no back, no foot, nothing. Government no look at the people. What you call government be this? I beg government, the beg government. What you call look at these people?
8 days.
If it was my own son, because what am I going to do? Like if it was my own son, before people would come here, I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you, look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people. My own son, Micah, Emmanuel, Ophelia, I'll kill. Nobody will, I'll kill a lot. I'm telling you, I didn't tell you lie. Like I'll kill. My own son, hey, when I see them, then I have the whole world.
To the truck.